Good morning, everyone. Okay, so if you have been following on my channel for any amount of time, you know that one of the things I do every morning is have a bulletproof coffee, and there are different ways that I've done it. Normally though, I use a product called Keto Cream to make my coffee. Here's the thing, I ran all out and my next shipment is not here yet. So today we are gonna go old school bulletproof coffee. We're gonna look around the house, make sure I have everything that we need to make, and we're gonna do old school butter, coconut oil. I might have MCT oil, I have to check it out, but we're going old school. So let's go. Okay, so not this kind of butter. You want like the good butter. This is like family butter. All right, we want Kerrygold butter. Is there one open? No, okay, using this one. And good. Okay, this huge thing is coconut oil, and it's going in my coffee. Okay, so after I actually pulled the coconut oil out from where I usually keep it, I remembered that I might have some MCT oil, so I did look through my cabinets, and I do. I'll let you zoom in on that a little bit. Okay, so this is MCT oil, and I've actually will be using half of this packet. I won't use the whole thing, and it says it delivers lauric acid, supports ketosis. It has that same functional fat technology that my keto cream does. I've actually never put this in a bulletproof coffee before, so I have no idea how it's going to taste or how it's going to actually work. It's a little thinner, it's more liquidy than the coconut oil I normally use, so I don't really know what's going to happen then with my coffee. But we're going to try it because we're trying new things today. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to use this instead of the coconut oil that I pulled out. I'll be using this with the Kerrygold butter. Really quick, why a bulletproof coffee every morning? I didn't really understand it at first. I would hear people in the keto community talk about it, and I had to spend some time in looking it up and try to really understand. So by starting my day off with a bulletproof coffee, which is starting it off with this mix of healthy fats, what I'm doing is a couple things. One, I'm feeding my body the fats that it needs, to the healthy fats it needs for cognitive function, for that high mental capacity that I want, while also, when in a state of ketosis, using those fats now for fuel. And it's putting my body into a natural state and adding those like natural ketones that I want in my body when we're doing a ketogenic low carb diet. Now, if you're not doing a ketogenic diet, bulletproof coffee actually can still be good for you. If you're eating a super high carb, super high fat diet all the time, then just adding more fats is just going to be adding more fats. But if you're eating, any kind of controlled way of eating, then a bulletproof coffee can still do really great things for you in the sense of it is going to boost your mental function. It is going to actually create a nice energy, natural energy to start your day. And it keeps you full for a longer amount of time. So I normally don't have breakfast in the morning. I normally just stick with a bulletproof coffee, and then that gets me through until lunchtime. So that is a couple of the reasons why I do it. So even when I'm not following a really low carb or keto diet, because there are times where, we all move on and off of things, I still do the bulletproof coffee every morning. It's been the one thing that never changes, which is why I'm kind of freaking out that I don't have this stuff the way that I want to have it, and I have to make it differently today. But you guys are on this journey with me, and we're going to see how that MCT oil stuff works, and we're going to work it out. Dropping in a tablespoon of Kerrygold butter. Now dropping in half a packet of this stuff. Again, I have no idea what it's going to look like when it comes out. So, it's very liquidy, so I have a feeling my coffee is going to be liquidy, but it might be okay. I'm trying to see where half a packet is. Don't you hate that when it's like half a packet? I'm like, well, it would be really great if I had like a marker to know where half a packet is, so I didn't just pour the whole thing in, because that's what I would do. I think I put in a little bit more by accident, but that's where we're at right now. Now I'm going to add the coffee. I usually do about I don't know, 10 ounces or so of coffee in here. And then we're also gonna add some sea salt and some cinnamon. I like the cinnamon. For me, it just is a flavor thing. Sometimes I'll even add some of it on top. Okay, coffee's going in. The coffee is in. The coffee is in. Okay, now we're adding a little bit of salt. The salt really cuts through a lot of just the fatty, like kind of buttery flavor. And then of course I'm adding cinnamon. You guys, if you're all organic or whatever, you do you. I add a lot of cinnamon. I like spice. I like a lot. I made it for someone one time and they were like, whoa, way too much cinnamon, which, you know, fair. But okay, so I'm putting the top on. We're gonna blend it and then I will show you what it looks like poured into the coffee cup. Well, I can tell you it smells very cinnamony. Here you go. Okay. And then we'll put our top back on. Just wanted you guys to be able to see that. So now we are going to taste it. It is way thinner than it normally is when I use the coconut oil. It smells better though. It smells more like kind of like a wintry style latte that you might get from Starbucks or your favorite coffee shop. It tastes the same as with the coconut oil. This is now my breakfast. This is what I'll be having, and it is a little bit thinner. Normally when I use the keto cream, there's a lot more of that foam on top, which I love, but this will definitely get me through until my shipment gets here. This is old-fashioned bulletproof coffee. This is making bulletproof coffee with the stuff that you have in your house. You don't have to use the MCT oil like I did, but if you want to check it out, I know you can also use this for cooking. I will put a link down in the description box below for that, so you can check that out. And there is an affiliate link with that. I want to be upfront with you guys. I've used it for cooking. I've never used it before in my coffee. So you can use it for cooking, you can use it for your coffee, whatever you want to do to try something new. But you can just use coconut oil, butter, cinnamon, salt, and your favorite brand of coffee. So you can get crazy with it however you want. You can use it to start off your day. Now, if you have liked watching me scramble trying to make this coffee again, would you hit the like button? Subscribe if you haven't done that, because like, hello, we have so much fun over here. So please subscribe and you'll be able to check out when I put out new content. I already know the next video going out. It's pretty cool, sneak peek. I got a PR box through the app called Influencer, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing for that, and I'll also be explaining to you guys how you are going to be able to get free stuff as well. So have a great day. I love you guys, and thanks for enjoying me with my no makeup, hair undone, casual day off. So thanks.